Hey y'all, so today I'm doing some jumbo afro twists. So I've already shampooed and conditioned my hair. I used a DIY hair mask. If you want to check that out, that's the last video. So now I'm just going to create the parts actually today for the twist so that my hair can dry in those parts, and then tomorrow I'm going to add on the twisting hair or the Marley hair. I'm just going to use my hair butter that I made. I made a batch recently, and this one on the peppermint side, it's going to stimulate my scalp to encourage hair growth in my scalp. It also has peppermint leaves. This is how it is. It's still in a creamy state, so that's good. It's easy to apply. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it on the part first, and then I'm gonna section out each side. Usually I part over to my ear, so I usually part like right here. Let me put some butter on this back section and get it out the way, and then I'm gonna put some butter on this and then twist it up. All right, and now the other side. All right, and then usually I start in the back. I'll start in the front first since I'm facing the front, but I just put butter all over the back section as well. I try to butter down all three sections because I don't want them to dry out, so I just use the butter to soak up whatever moisture is there because my hair will dry out, especially if I take too long. So we're gonna make 3 rows on this side and 3 rows on this side because we're doing jumbo size. So this is the first row. I just part out the first row, like I try to imagine it in 3s. And here I'll take a little bit of butter, apply it to the roots and smooth down. Then you're gonna take the comb again, part down the middle, try to make it straight. So you're gonna take your brush and detangle this section, starting at the roots. Braid, make it tight, because that's gonna be your anchor for your twist, and then you're supposed to twist the rest of the way down. My bad, y'all. Try to twist as tight as you can, and before letting it go, squeeze out your excess butter. Here's the other one. Hopefully tomorrow I won't need edge wax along these edges, but we'll see. Now twist the rest. All right, now this is gonna be split in half. Okay, again, use some butter, apply it to your roots first, get it on the scalp, then smooth down. If your hair is still wet like mine, put a towel down. Remember to make your braid at the root tight, and then twist. I feel like this needs to be tangled out. My hair loves this butter. Hey y'all, so I'm done making my twist. So on this side we have 2, 3, and 3, which is 8. We have 2, 3, and 3, which is 8 more, so 16. Okay, in the back we have 3, 5, 5, 3, and 4. They're like 50% dry already, so I'm just gonna wait till they're completely dry to do the twisting part, to add on the extension. So it's the next day, so now it's time to install the twist. I have the fan on, so it might be a little background noise. So I'm using some Marley hair from Janet Collection that I brought at the hair store. I have 4.5 of these big 3X packs, so there's 3 bundles in each. So like I said, I have 3.5, so this is extra from like a hairstyle before. So this is like 2 bundles and some chain. So I'm trying to determine how large I want the twist to be. I did say jumbo size, so it looks like I'm gonna be using 3 strands per twist. I'm gonna put some wax on these front ones. Starting off, you're gonna take 3 pieces of Marley hair. This is 3. And now you're gonna take your crochet hook, crochet it in to the top, take one end and wrap it around the part in a circle. And then you're gonna start twisting with your twist on one side at first, and then once you get to the split part, then you can split it in half between the 2 Marley strand things and then twist. Okay, now along the end of your natural hair right here, you're gonna take some Murray's Edge wax and put it on just your ends so they can stick to the Marley hair so they don't poke out. Okay, so right about here, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna grab 2 strands of Marley hair, not 3, 2. And now I'm gonna take the 2 at the middle, match it up with the ends of the twist, do like a rope twist just to secure one end in, secure with the rope twist, and then twist it in. So now you have an extended twist. Now there's a long twist. So you're gonna start with your twist, crochet in 3 pieces of Marley hair, even them out. So I'm gonna take the twist on the side and wrap it around the root twice. Around twice. And then after I do that, I'm gonna start twisting for a little bit. One more. And then I'm gonna take the natural strand, my natural hair, unravel it up to where we stop, and then split it between the 2 strands, and then continue twisting. Now at my ends, I'm going to be careful, put the edge wax only on the ends so that they stick to the Marley hair and keep the Marley twist sleek. Now about right here, I'm going to stop, grab 2 more pieces of Marley hair, tuck them under that split, rope twist it in, so rope twist both sides, and then continue to twist down. And there's the twist. Okay y'all, so I'm finished. They're so pretty, very long. They stop down here. So let's decorate them. So I have a bag full of black and brown beads that I got from Amazon and the hair store. So I'm just going to be adding some beads using my crochet hook. So basically, you take the end, hook it onto the crochet hook, pull the beads through, or pull the hair through. The very last one, you want to bend that hair over and use a small black rubber band to secure it. Then you want to push the rest of the beads on top of that to cover that hair. And then that's it. So this is the final result of this hairstyle. I really love it. The beads make it so pretty. And I just love it. I also put it up in a high ponytail, which is super cute. So thumbs up this video, check out more like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.